This is Tier 1 Lesson 4, Exponential Decay. So exponential decay is going to be the same thing. Remember our general form right here? So x is our input, but we could also call this the independent variable. Right? And f of x is our dependent variable, right? Our output. So a is our initial value. I'm going to call it starting value this time. Same thing. And b is going to be our decay factor in exponential decay. So the difference is in exponential decay, our decay factor is going to be less than 1. More specifically, it's going to be between 0 and 1. Okay, so you can see 0.85 is less than 1, right? So 0.85 fits this criteria, so this is going to be a decay factor. And we could go through and do the same thing. We could divide to find what we multiply to get. You're still multiplying the same thing every time. Let's divide and multiply like we did last time. So this time we have 17,195 divided by 20230. There it is. 20230 divided by 23800. And we'll get a decimal approximation. Same thing, 23800 divided by 28000. There it is. So we know that if we multiply this 28,000 times 0.85, we'll get our next part, times 0.85. And we could keep hitting enter to get the next pieces, and we could even go further if we want. You see how the numbers are getting exponentially smaller? So this is the value that we're trying to get, times 0.85. That's what we're doing every single time, right? Multiplying times 0.85, right? That less than 1. Because we're multiplying by a number less than 1, it's getting smaller. And you can see that in the graph here, right? We started with 28,000 at x equals 0, and as we multiplied by that 0.85, it's getting exponentially smaller and leveling out here, right? Our asymptote would be at 0. So our decay factor is 0.85.